Hey people, well, I thought I'd show you my latest acquisition before I forget. I meant to show probably like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Anyway, this is probably a late 60s or early 70s Manning Bowman, made by McGraw Edison, model 20524, 20-inch box fan. I got this from a fellow YouTube fan collector, Trshslsa. He's the one with whom I traded that TG&Y champion I once had for that super deluxe pen crest box fan that I now have. The one with the electrically reversible motor with thermostat. Anyway, I got this because since I have a big and little brother Eskimo box fans, 20 and 12 inch, I thought, why not have a big and little brother Manning Bowman box fans, 20 and 12 inch. So here's this one. Here's the front of the fan. And see, it's got these rubber things in the screws, I guess to prevent vibrations. And a little bent in the corner, well, upper right corner, and maybe a little in the bottom right corner. And there's a little rust in the bottom. Nothing major. Turn that around. There's the one side. A little bit of rust, but again, nothing major. Other side. Yeah, it's that grayish white color. That was the color for the Manning Bowmans of that time. Then they let her go to a light avocado. Turn around to the back. I got the same rubber things on the screws on the back. The back grills look like they have a bit of paint coming off. Here's the motor, same McGraw Edison motor. It's even got rubber washers on the bolts for the motor. Yeah, the motor on this is still the full-blown 2.2 amp, whereas on the Eskimo equivalent has the slightly low-powered 1.6 amp motor. Now this one's a full 2.2. There's the top. A little bit of paint chips. Paint coming off there. Yeah, on this, unlike my 12-inch Manning Bowman, the things at the ends of the handle are either black or maybe dark brown, depending on how you look at it. And the same with the speed dial. Controls just like my the Eskimo equivalent. I have a 2-speed with the 2 off positions at each end. Yeah, this is from the Manning Bowman division. So yeah, I didn't know till I got this one that Manning Bowman had its own division, the McGraw Edison company. That's the model 20524, 20524. So here it is running. Here's high. Despite those washers, it still has a bit of grill rattle. we'll start on low. Decent coast down time. Start from low. Back to high. Back to high. And as always, OFF smells off. Back to the first off position. And there you have it. This is my Manning Bowman by McGraw Edison model 20524 20-inch box fan. After this I'll probably do a video of it together with his little brother, the model 12509. So thank you for watching.